That is a $50,000 consumer electronic mystery box that I purchased from eBay. And it is heavy. But first, before we open it, I want to show you a little bit about where I got it. Okay, so here's my eBay account, and we have a mystery box. There's electronics and more. $50,000 and $50,014. Because they had to charge me $14.18 to ship it. Because after 50 grand, I mean, you still got to pay shipping. Am I right? Am I right? It arrived, I bought it on the 29th. It's now the 2nd. It arrived pretty quick. So let's do this. Let's open this thing up. Right away here, we're gonna class it up. I'm gonna open it up with a back plate filler, slot filler for a PC. So let's do that. Here we go. It's really not that sharp. This is the wrong choice. Ooh, heyo. Looking good. Black blanket for packaging. Whoa! Look at that right off the bat. Look at all that. All right. So here's the deal. Have a look-see, because we're gonna get to it all. I've seen other people unbox something like this, a $50,000 box, and they kind of just they don't compare the values, and I want to see if I'm getting 50 grand out of this box. I mean, it looks pretty promising right now, but 50 grand is a lot of money. So let's see. Let's have a total running in the top. All right. I'm gonna have my editor look up these prices as we go along. Okay, so this is all done in post. I don't know how much this stuff's worth right now, but I guess I have a pretty decent ballpark. Okay, we're gonna get the totals going on, and we'll see if we make our money back and or more. So let's get to it. I'm excited. Let's do it. Start right here. The Hive Hub. I've heard of these before. Apparently this is a control module for stuff like plugs and light bulbs. A home automated system. There is a plug in here as well. Look at that. Brand new home automation with the plug. Okay, we're off to a good start. Why don't we pull the rest of the boxes out, see what's going on, see what's actually in the big box. This caught my eye. Blood pressure monitor tester. So, okay, that's good. Yeah, we're just gonna pull out the boxes and just say what they are. Galaxy Edge set S7. Okay, so a bit of an older phone. What's this? No, a Pixel 2. Okay, this is green. That wall is green, so it's black. So this is a see-through Pixel 2 right now. This is a see-through Pixel 2. Yeah, cool. It's not the big Pixel. It looks like it's the small one. So, got a couple of cell phones. What's this? Aspire Switch 10. I feel like this is a bit of an older model. Oh, here we go. Windows 8.1, 32-bit. Yeah, this is a bit of an older model. Okay, so we've got like a mini laptop tablet thing. What's this? Oh, I guess it's loose. Maybe this was a product return. We have a Cool Master Hyper 212 Plus. This is a CPU cooler. I know that for sure. All right. What do we got here? This is a Logitech G700S. I've looked up this model before, and I'm pretty sure these are very expensive. So, nice mouse. This is a Dupo tablet, quad core tablet. Okay. Oh, it looks like it has a keyboard attachment. I feel like this is a bit of an older model. Android 4.4. So yeah, it's a bit of an older model, but a knockoff tablet. Okay. All right. Professional balance charger. What, for batteries? For like RC stuff? Okay. Alright. Oh, I thought this would be the same, but I'm pretty sure this is empty. Yeah, that's empty. Okay. So empty second charger box. Interesting. Interesting. What do we got here? A heads-up display for your car. I want to see what this is all about. Oh, look at that. That's what it would have been if the box wasn't empty. So I've gotten stuffed a few times now. Fantastic. What do we have here? Another Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Okay, 32 gigs. Was the other one 32 gigs? It was. We have two of the exact same phone. That's a bit of an older model. Ooh, it's heavy. It's heavy. It's a GeForce GTX 1070. I mean, didn't they just launch the new RTX stuff like not too long ago? But that's promising right there. All right, what's this big one right here? What do we got? A keyboard. Ooh, a Corsair keyboard. Corsair Vengeance K70. Okay. That looks neat. There's a big frickin' scratch in the middle of it. So that's not fun, but that looks pretty neat. All right. Let's see. We have a Linksys E2000. So a bit of an older router. Does 5 gigahertz, or it's got gigabit connections. So a router. Oh, this is interesting. An A1000 3-axis gimbal for mirrorless camera. Is this one of those hand automated things? It says, oh, it's got dust all over it. Look at that. Nasty. It says that it's 3-axis, but it's got, oh, here's the information. Some Chinese, it's got Bluetooth. Looks like it's from some Chinese manufacturer. All right. What is this? This looks kind of promising. Nope, it is empty. This is an empty box. It looks like an old motherboard box that is completely... Oh, what's this? It's a CPU box that is also empty. What do we got? An i7 4790K. Well, those would have been nice. That's worth a couple $100, I know. But it's not in the box. Whatever. There's a couple of empty boxes in here, which is kind of lame. I know what that is. That's a 360 camera. That's a Ryko Theta. Ryko Theta S. That's a 360 camera right there. Those are pricey. Okay. Okay. What do we have here? Another Logitech mouse. We have a G602. I don't see any wireless gaming mouse. Okay. Okay. I'm good with that. Oh, previously been opened. I wonder if that's a product return. A FLIR 1. Oh, this is those smartphone attachments that you use for thermal cam. That's cool. That you use for thermal cameras. So you plug it into your smartphone, and then you can use it as a thermal camera to see hotspots in your house or whatever. A Netgear. Netgear what? A Netgear switch, 8-port gigabit Ethernet switch. All right, it's probably not that expensive. I feel like it's not that expensive. This, we get a wireless something, AC20, 2900. Oh, another fancy router. This one looks pretty new though. What is it? Dual band gigabit router. Not bad. Not bad. What? There's some loose parts in there. A Vivint, fairly certain that Vivint is a home security system. This would be for setting up for if you wanted to join Vivint, the Vivint hardware. So, yeah, my monitor just went to sleep. There we go. Jeez. What do we have? We're getting near the bottom here. HP. This is pretty heavy though. HP Pavilion 14-F040CA. 750 gig hard drive, 8 gigs of DDR3, Quad core A6, so it's not super amazing. It's not super amazing. I gotta kick some of this stuff out of here. It's in the way. Got another one right here. What? Top player, top choice. MSI Gaming Series. What is going on here? This is a GS70. All right, 17 inch, 1920 by 1080, an i7 4720, GeForce GTX 970M. All right, 1 terabyte with 120 gigabyte SSD. So bit of an older laptop, but still decent. That's not bad. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Whoa! Anybody know anything about this? Multicopter Iris, your hands-free aerial camera platform. It looks like it's been like through the ringer, and there's something loose inside, but it's a drone, and it looks like you can hook a GoPro to it. That was the last piece in this box, was this guy right here. So let me go unbox a few of these things. Let me pull out a few of them, and let's see what kind of hardware we got. I'm hoping that we've got somewhere near 50 grand, but I have a funny feeling that we're barely scrimming 10. A lot of this stuff's a lot older. Maybe when I get into the boxes, there's different product in there. Who knows? But let me pull a few of them out, and we'll see. Let's have a look. So it's all over the place, all the way leading back to back in there. So I'm going to go through. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to that 1070 I want to get at for sure. The drone, yes. This laptop, yes. Is that the three big ones pretty much? I think that's the three big ones. I mean, a couple of routers and a keyboard I'm not too excited about. So let's have a look. Let's see. So these are the highlights of the night. The GTX 1070, that looks friggin' new, like no dust or nothing on it. So I got a new graphics card, which is nice. The drone, look, there's like grass. So it's probably a crashed drone. So yeah, they used crashed drone. So we said that the box was pretty tattered, so I could see that being it. Lastly, I've been putting my fingerprints all over this thing, trying to figure out what the heck it is, because it's not what the box was saying that it was. It's actually a GS 73 VR, so it's like way better. It's got crap all over it though, and when you open it up, it looks like it's been just wiped down. So yeah, does it boot? It does. It looks like it boots. Yep. So we got a laptop. Is it economical to get a $50,000 mystery box? No, it is not. I don't know exactly right this second what the totals are, but I got a fraction of $50,000. So if you want to do this, don't do it. Unless you've got 50 grand to burn. I guess I burned through $50,000. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. I'm gonna go crash a drone, I guess. Is that what we're doing? We're gonna go crash a drone. Let's go crash a drone.